Hlth Band is marketed as a smart health wearable that claims to track important health metrics like heart rate, sleep activity, and sometimes even blood pressure or blood glucose. The marketing makes it sound like an affordable alternative to premium smartwatches, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, fitness trackers are a legitimate product category and can be useful for monitoring daily activity and general wellness. What it does well: tracks daily activity. Most health bands monitor steps, calories burned, and exercise throughout the day. Sleep monitoring. Many models provide insights into sleep duration and sleep patterns. Where the hype falls apart: health measurements may not be medical grade. Metrics such as blood pressure, blood oxygen, or other advanced readings should not be relied upon for medical decisions unless the device has appropriate regulatory clearance. Accuracy varies. Step counting, heart rate, and sleep tracking can differ depending on how the device is worn and the activities being performed. App experience matters. The usefulness of the band depends heavily on the companion app, software updates, and long-term support. So, should you buy the Hlth Band? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for a budget fitness tracker. If you want a wearable to monitor your daily activity and general wellness, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to replace a medical device or deliver the same experience as a premium smartwatch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.